Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Is Tangerine Bank in the US? Before I get into the answer, I want to talk a little bit about Tangerine Bank. Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank that offers a variety of banking products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, GICs, and mortgages. Tangerine Bank is known for its low fees and its focus on customer satisfaction. So, is Tangerine Bank in the US? The answer is no. Tangerine Bank is a Canadian bank, and it is not currently available to US residents. Why is Tangerine Bank not available in the US? There are a few reasons why Tangerine Bank is not available in the US. One reason is that the US has a different regulatory environment than Canada. Another reason is that Tangerine Bank is not yet large enough to meet the requirements of the US banking regulators. What are some of the alternatives to Tangerine Bank for US residents? If you are a US resident and you are looking for a bank with low fees and a focus on customer satisfaction, there are a few alternatives to Tangerine Bank. Some good options include Ally Bank, Capital One 360, Discover Bank, Simple Bank. In conclusion, Tangerine Bank is not currently available to US residents. If you are a US resident and you are looking for a bank with low fees and a focus on customer satisfaction, there are a few good alternatives to Tangerine Bank. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.